It's in the fork. Oh, he's climbing down the fork, down the tree, down the tree, down the tree.
Take this tree right here. There you go. Come on, get him. Did he get him? You got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. She'll pull it up in a second. Oh, you had him too. Hang on. We got him. Bubba got him?
And Zeke got it. They're trying to pull it apart. Oh, dear Lord.
Oh, well. Bubba got him.
And oh, they just ripped it apart. Oh, God.
Really? Oh, that's why we can't snap.
There's 3 of them over here.
Yeah, there were 3 of them up in that tree this morning. Bubba, you better hold off there, buddy. And there's oh, you better watch out. Oh! 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 Ooh!
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Jeez,
I didn't get that on camera. I got the squirrel, though.
home dog's getting ugly.
See, she's going after the other dog now. I think I know now why the dogs have not been hanging around the hawks.
Well, then he'll learn his lesson.
Yeah. Well, I got the squirrel up. Now, don't be coming toward me now. Gee.
That bird is deadly.
Hang on, I'll help you. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Something hurting on that squirrel. Look at that. Before I dive in. Here, you take over. Here, it's on. I'll get in there and help him. Oh, did the nose just drop?
Yep.
There, come look at him coming toward us. Hold up, buddy. Lordy.
I don't know if I got it.
That's an escape tree. I'm going to get this squirrel before he bites me. Alright, let me see how I can. Alright, I got you totally.
Ooh, okay, okie doke. Oh, let me move away. Okay, I'm moving. Alright, I'm moving away.
Bit now.
Ow!
Alright, squirrel. I know it's biting me.
Oh, God.
I know. Get bit now. Hang on. Alright.
Is it bad?
Right there. Come on. Ooh! Almost had him. There he is. Here comes Hattie. Oh, there he is. He's on this. Where's Max? There he goes. Oh! He's on this side. Oh! No, he's still out there in that fork. Oh, I see him too. Oh! He's on the other side, I think, or in that. All right, Hattie made it. Look at him, his little head sticking up. All right, he's in a bad situation. Here comes Mac. Ooh! Woo! There, going back up. That's where it needs to go to the top. Get on the little thin branches. All right, go over there to where Bubba, kind of, wait, hang on. There he goes. Oh! There you go. Oh, now he's in trouble. Everybody's coming down the other side. There he goes. That's where he needs. Oh! Oh! Almost had him. All right, that right there. Come on. That's where you want him. Somebody's got to get him. Come on now. Oh, that squirrel's gonna see. Oh, I got my way out of here. He's coming down. He's coming down. Now he's going back up. All right, if he could just jump. There you go. There you go. Ah, missed him again. Oh! Missed him again. He's going. Oh, Lord. Come on, Max. Yeah, Max is probably getting tired. There he is. Oh, he's on this. Oh! He's on this side. There you go. We're gonna. I see. He's still over here. He's sitting right there. He's still over here. Walk toward me. There he is. He's up there in that fork again. All right, he's coming down, coming down, coming down. Oh! Come on now. Somebody make a move. Going right toward Max. There you go, Max. There's your chance, buddy. Oh! Didn't quite have him. Oh! Dropped him. Dropped him. In the barn. Zeke got him? I see it. Yeah. Well, he ain't gonna be injured long. He done. Got him, Zeke. Yeah. Attaboy.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but
yeah. There you go.
he hit the ground and.
All right, where's Matt? We're gonna let him have it.
Yeah.
Where? Watch this. Where is he? All right, what's the dogs?
Bubba. Zeke.
Ah! Come back here. Oh! You got him. You got him.
All right, where's the dog?
Yeah, I get him. Hang on. Let's kind of practice coming in. All right, he's done. Whew.
That was fun.
That was pretty sweet. All right.